Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by disconnecting the battery and wait 5 minutes before starting work. This prevents accidental short circuits and resets electronics. Gather a 70% isopropyl spray, a microfiber cloth, a small brush about 3-5 inches, and toothpicks. Use soft padding under panels to avoid scratches while you remove trim. Work in a well-ventilated area with bright lighting and a clear workspace. Label any screws and small parts in grouped containers so reassembly stays organized. Remove button bezels gently using plastic pry tools and place screws in labeled containers. Carefully pop switches free and inspect for corrosion, debris, or broken clips. Clean plastic parts and faces using soapy water and a microfiber cloth. Rinse and dry thoroughly. Clean electrical contacts with 70% isopropyl on a swab and allow parts to dry fully for at least 10 minutes. If rubber membranes are hardened, replace them with OEM or compatible spares for reliable feel. Lubricate plastic guide rails and switch stems lightly with dielectric grease before reassembly. Reinstall buttons and bezels loosely and reconnect the battery to test before final tightening. Test each button for responsiveness, tactile feel, and correct illumination after powering up the system. If a switch still fails, swap it with an identical functioning unit to isolate the fault quickly. Replace any worn rubber membranes, broken clips, or cracked housings rather than forcing reassembly. Document steps and take photos during repair to help future troubleshooting or warranty claims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.